Hi, PT Cindy here with Body Fit Physical Therapy, and I'm going to go over 3 ways that you can use this ball to help loosen up your shoulders. First thing we're going to do is you're going to find a firm surface. You're going to put the ball on that wall, and then you're going to just bring your arm over and up the wall so that this ball is on your pec muscle. So that's the front muscle. And you're just going to do some rolling for about 30 seconds, applying some medium amount of pressure. Then you're going to turn, and you're going to bring the ball down a little bit towards where your lat is. So it's going to be kind of where the webbing is or thickness of your shoulder. And then you're going to roll here again about 30 seconds. And then the last thing you can do is you can do your upper trap. You would obviously do the same arm, but I'm going to show you on this side instead. You're going to put that ball again on that firm surface right on that upper trap, and then you're just going to roll through there again about 30 seconds. And you can do this cycle, maybe go through it about 5 times if you're finding again that you're having some shoulder tightness with lifting your arm up and getting good range motion that way.